This process is simple and helps you manage your accounts and personal information effectively. First, head over to the Outlook login page. You can type the URL directly in your browser or search for Outlook login and click the official link. Once there, click the Sign In button and enter your credentials. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Outlook homepage. Look for your profile icon or name at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Then select My Profile. Next, click on the Your Info section. This page contains all your account details and connected services, giving you control over linked accounts. Within Your Info, look for Skype Profile. Clicking here will display all details about the Skype account linked to your Microsoft account. Now you'll see options to manage your Skype account. Follow the on-screen instructions to unlink the account successfully. Be sure to read prompts carefully to confirm the changes. And there you have it. You've successfully unlinked your Skype account from your Outlook or Hotmail account. Keeping accounts separated can improve privacy and account management. Thanks for watching.